I know some of y'all are probably thinking, who doesn't know how to boil eggs? You must remember, we're all at different levels when it comes to cooking. Some are new, which is the beginning stage. Some are a little further along. And then we have some cooks out there who are our experts, more advanced. So let's begin. What you're going to do is you're going to fill a pot with enough water to cover the eggs, and then also have an additional 2 inches of water in the pot. Gently place your eggs in the water. Turn the burner on high and let the water come to a boil. Cover the pot with a lid. Turn off the stove. Remove the pot from the hot burner by sliding it to the back burner. Let it sit there for about 10 to 12 minutes, covered. Okay, 10 to 12 minutes, you should have perfectly hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna give a little disclaimer. When I was younger, I used to boil my eggs on the stove, and it seemed like they would be just boiling and boiling forever. I was just thinking back to how long I would have to be standing around the pot, waiting for my boiled eggs to finally be done. It just goes to show there's a more efficient and better way to do things in life. I'm sure there's some of y'all out there who are still boiling your eggs like that, letting them boil for 20, 25 minutes on the stove. How about trying this method? I know change is difficult, but try it once, and believe me, you won't go back. And now you've cooked your hard-boiled eggs for all your recipes, like for making your deviled eggs, putting in your tuna fish, and also for your potato salad. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. That way you're going to be notified when I upload that next video.